Damn, Dior.
Yeah. Yeah. Bitch, I love you, but we can't keep doing this. If I don't got these purposes.
Hey vlog, so I just left class, just left college. Now I'm on the way to the mall to go get my eyebrows done before my lash appointment. So I just wanted to update you guys so you guys know what's currently occurring. So I'll see you guys at the eyebrow place. So I just got my eyebrows done. They look way better than last time, but they're not like the best it's ever been. Hold on, y'all, because I might get copyright. But anyways, so I got my eyebrows done. I got some things from Pink. I'm gonna show y'all whenever I have time when I get home. But now I'm about to stop at home for a little bit before my lash appointment so I can change and fill in my eyebrows again. Cause I have to go to work after I get my lashes done, y'all. So I'm just trying to come correct, but. Bro, they look so fucking good. Oh my gosh, bro. Hey y'all, so I just got my lashes done and they look so good. So right now I'm on my way to go to work. I'm a little bit late, but it's okay. So that's my update. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just got back from work. Literally just got in. So I'm about to clean up my room a little bit and then and get back to y'all. And I'm also about to drink my strawberry milk that I just bought. I'm trying to show y'all. About to drink some of my strawberry milk. I haven't had that in so long, so yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Hey y'all, so finna get my hair done. So I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit.
That saying came in with an F and two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't both down and I asked a few questions. Met last week and they already best friends, already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. Met last week and they already best friends. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now. I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friends. Shit ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire, you off hand. Tell me this ain't something that you do often. I can't say the same, so use caution. Just saying, came in with an F and two girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. I don't want no one to ask me questions. And last week and they already best friends, already best friends. And last week and they already best friends. Last week and they already best friends. Two at a time laying in my bed. One at the top and the other giving head. Girl on girl, I love the taste. You can run around, I love the chase. If you need a break cause you thirsty, don't trip cause I know you're burning up. She said she love me but she want her to fuck it up. 11-11.